Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so we're going to do a little math activity together, and it might take us a few minutes, but we're going to drag a duck or however many ducks we need. So this right here says we need one duck in the pond. So I'm going to click on it and drag it, and I'm going to send you this activity one day. So I want you to watch. So we need one duck. So I'm going to drag one little duck out onto the pond. Good. Now, this number says 2. So I'm going to drag 2 ducks onto the pond. 2. This one says 3. I'm going to drag 2, 3 ducks onto the pond. Good. Next, this number is asking for 4. So we're going to drag 1, 2, 3, 4 onto the pond. Good. We're going to keep going. Get your brain ready. 5. We need 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 5 little ducks. Ooh, now we need 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now we need 7 ducks. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. It's taking Miss Hendry a minute because she's got to get her hands right. All right, ready? Now we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We have 8 ducks. Oh, we have 2 more numbers that we're going to do. 9. That's too many ducks for this pond. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my. And the last number we're going to do is 10. That's a big number, 10. So we need this many. This pond is too full. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We did it. Good job, guys. Have a great day.